Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? Is everyone doing all right? How was your weekend? Did you manage to get some rest? So let's start with the euro US dollar today, guys. As you see, the price on the 4-hour time frame is trading within this channel, the lower part and the upper part. There are few bullish engulfing order blocks that we spotted on our analysis this weekend, this one here and the other one down there. So hopefully the price will come down to retest them before it moves upward. Non-farm payrolls on Friday left behind these candles, and to be honest, with a positive non-farm payroll and the US dollar didn't really follow through overly the market, it showed some weakness here of the US dollar. So this might be a good bullish opportunity for the euro. Okay, next one, pound. Same, pound, very explosive move to the upside, so we will primarily look for long positions. Here is the Fibonacci retracements. We're going to wait with patience the price to move down here before we start our buying activity. But if on the other hand you guys are in a rush and you need to start buying, yeah, we are looking primarily for long positions here. New Zealand, those who are on the Telegram channel, you know, guys, that I placed a pending order, a limit sell, limit order around these areas. I'm in the trade, of course, and yeah, I'm waiting for the price to decline from this strong. It used to be a support, then it acted as a resistance from the weekly chart. So it was actually a weekly high. Let's see what's going to happen. So I'm still short on this one. Australian dollar. If you guys see on the daily chart, no, we can't see it really well. So on the 4-hour time frame, if we use the 50 and the 200 period moving average, here it's the golden cross. When the 50 crosses above the 200 period, we call it golden cross, and it's a strong bullish signal. But again, in order to buy, we want the price to test an advantage area, like perhaps this is one support, or perhaps to come down to this minor retracement before we will be looking for more bullish trades setups. USD Swissy price is bouncing from this 200 period moving average. Again, another trade that another setup that I posted on the Telegram channel last week. It got triggered on Friday to pick up the buying positions from this area down here. I don't remember exactly where, but if you are on the Telegram channel, you can go and check it. And USD JPY, the market is moving aggressively to the downside. There is still room until the price to retest the previous month's low, which is this one here, 140, around 145.49. Oh, sorry, not 145.49, 145.89. So still some room for the price to move there. This is the daily chart. Now if we check the 4-hour time frame, How to enter short here? Well, if price will retrace and gives us some entry points from this point, we might gonna take it and go short. Or if it climbs somewhere around the crossover of the moving averages, maybe we're gonna take it. But price, honestly, it's very it moves in a very steep downtrend and trend line, and it's not it doesn't make it very easy for traders to pick up trades. Here you see, even if we try to create the trend line, it's super steep. We don't know where to pick it up. Usually we want the trend line to be around 45 degrees, so we want the trend line to be something like to have this kind of angle, even like this one. Okay, so in these moments, if we didn't manage to pick up a trade from the early development of the trend, it's a bit hard to take it afterwards. Guys, if you need to ask any questions about currency pairs or about any setups you perhaps are watching on your charts, please put it on the comment section below. Next one, Great British Pound, Japanese Yen. Price makes lower lows on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see if it's going to maintain this move to the downside. So far, we have the lower low. We are missing the lower high. Price must break below this S1 and S2, that both weekly lows, before we're going to confirm that this is a downtrend. And we will try to trade the pullback. So far, the only order block, tradable order block that we identify in this one here, it's from the top area. Here I didn't see anything. Therefore, I'm not interested in pick up any trades here. Something that I spot, it's the Australian dollar JPY. If you want to add it on your watch list, guys, because this one here gave a nice bearish engulfing, well-defined bearish engulfing on the daily chart. Now we are watching the 4-hour chart. So the daily chart was this one here, so bearish engulfing, and now the price moved below this area of below this rectangle. To find the minimum target, we can measure this high here to this low there, and we can double the distance, or we can use the Fibonacci extension, and we use it on the opposite side now, from this low to this high, and we find that 200%, and this one here can be the minimum target. So let's see what's going to happen. But if some of you are watching from this low to this high, and they draw the Fibonacci from there to here, the 61.8% is somewhere there. So maybe the room of opportunity, instead of the minimum target being here for this move, we can make it to being there. So we are very well protected in this trade. You guys understand this? To understand how you combine the previous leg with the current leg, you need some screening time. But again, I'm trying to explain it as simple as possible. So please let me know if you still have questions on this one. But yeah, short on this one here, it might be a good way. On the hourly time frame, the lower the time frames we check, the more tradable opportunities we will identify. Okay, guys, so you can see here that there are some kind of consolidations. Next one, Euro Australian dollar, guys. Price created on the weekly chart a bearish engulfing. You can see it here. So if this one it's going to play out, I prefer to use the 4-hour time frame for this kind of execution. I like the fact that the price made it broke below the trend line as well, and also the most important, it made a new low. That was the lower low, so price made this higher high, and it create how we call it in technical analysis, a non-failure swing. Why non-failure? Because it made a new swing high, and then it moved below and made a new swing low. So that calls a non-failure swing for the prior move, and we use this one as the first warning of a reversal pattern, of course, for this time frame. So let's see what's going to happen with this one here. I would like to pick up some short positions on this one. Same with the Great British Pound, Australian dollar. Pound, it's a bit stronger than the euro. Come somewhere here, maybe will give us some good opportunities. So let's keep an eye on that one, guys. Guys, for those who are new here, just to let you know that we launched our website here at MarketMindsMastery.com. It's the same name, MarketMindsMastery, but just add the .com next to that. You can scroll down. Soon we're going to put the subscription packages so you can get your package. And okay, some of our viewers, maybe they are from prop firms or from brokers. We have services here, but if you are an individual trader, we have the testimonials here from Pran and Marcus. If you're an individual trader and you want to get more daily market analysis, more specific market analysis, also one-on-one coaching, trading courses coming soon. I have a free book here if you are an extremely beginner and you need to learn how to understand a little bit, and Alex. So you can go to contact us and you can send us a message if you want, or you can book directly your free 15-minute introduction session with me. Here it's the availability, dates and times, and we're going to look at your trading, where you are, what you need, and all this stuff. And of course the price list, it's there for you to see it. It's open source, it's nothing hidden, but because now I'm logged in, I cannot see the prices. Okay, but if you click on the website and you at the top, you're gonna see private coaching and all this stuff. So you click there and you will see also the prices and the ways you can make payments. But I encourage you, honestly, if you feel that you need some help a little bit with your trading, just go down to the calendar and book your 15-minute introductory session. Okay, guys. So next couple of markets for today: US 500 or S&P 500. On the weekly time frame, the price ended up as a doji candle, and on the daily chart and 4-hour chart, we will be looking for some bearish opportunities. So what I want to see here, and please keep this in mind, if the price create a new low, will create a new low. It hasn't created a new low yet, but if it will create a new low, I will be looking to mark this area as the solid order block, or from this one here, and I will be waiting for the price to enter here to go short. Or on the other hand, if the price just directly comes down here, there is a 4-hour order block at this point to pick up some trades. All right, guys. Gold on the highest area, of course. A new all-time high registered on last Friday and set the gold much higher. So at this point here, we need some kind of retracement, or we need to go to very lower time frames to find swings and trade accordingly. Because by looking at the 4-hour, daily, 1-hour chart, we really cannot pick up any trades. Okay. But if you are trading on the 4-hour chart, like myself or other traders on the 1-hour chart, maybe you have to wait for a kind of retracement. US oil gave us good opportunities last week. We picked up a good buying opportunity at this point here. Now let's see what's going to happen. I'm not into any trade at the moment. And of course, Bitcoin, new all-time high, above 70,000. Now it's trading on the 71,200, and the buying pressure is continued. Ethereum, same, is forming a bullish engulfing now. Solana around 147, which is fine. Yep, and much positivity on the cryptocurrencies as well. By the way, guys, soon we will open and we will launch a community on the and those who are on Telegram, we're going to transfer the community to Discord, and you're going to be able to type anything you want, to chat, to put your trading setups, to communicate with everyone actually on the group. And also we're going to have a separate community if you want to join. It's about investing, to put their possible investments that we are currently watching, that we are currently investing to, some cryptocurrencies, some stocks. So to make it not only informative but also very educational and interactive. Okay, I believe that everyone will love this idea. If you have any suggestions, please let me know on the comments below. I will look at them carefully, and I'm really happy to implement what you believe it's going to add more value in your trading. So I will leave you with these guys for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all. Happy trading, of course, and I will see you all tomorrow at the same time. Thank you, everyone.